The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, eastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, until 6 a.m. At 4:48 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ashton, or 8 miles west of Rochelle, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include DeKalb, Sycamore, Rochelle, Sandwich, Genoa, Shabbona, Cortland, Davis Junction, Hinckley, Silmanock, Kirkland, Waterman, Hillcrest, Maple Park, Kingston, Malta, Paw Paw, Creston, Lindenwood, and Monroe Center. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 78 and 114. Interstate 88 between mile markers 69 and 101. This includes Northern Illinois University and Sandwich Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.